people who are working in the industry now could be upskilled to take on the new jobs that are being created as a result of robotics and AI. We talked about people who aren't yet in the workforce and the skills they might need, and the policy that the government should adopt to help make this happen, this training that we need. We need funding in a number of areas. We also need funding in research, not just educational research like we've traditionally had, but also some commercial research support. There are programs that exist. There are new programs that maybe need to be restarted that we really could benefit from. So all of these areas, I think, are going to benefit anybody who's either currently working in the space or wants to be.
So when you're talking about the upcoming policy and funding opportunities that people can get involved in and that they should be aware of, can you talk a little bit more about those? Where can you direct our readers where they can go to help out in this aspect?
Yes. So on automate.org, there's a section that's, I think it's called About A3 or Who We Are. And under that heading, there is our advocacy principles and our recommendations for a national strategy. And if you dig into that, you can see what we're recommending in terms of where this money might come from in the government and how the people who are viewing this can support us, talk to their congressional leaders, advocate, let them know what you're doing in the space and what help you need. That all of us together have a much bigger voice than, just some of us. So that would really be helpful. Whether it's a result of the work highlighted at the caucus or just in general, we need to have um, systems that effectively tackle problems that companies have. Robotic systems is what we're advocating for, but any type of solution to a customer problem, we need more of those, especially if indeed we bring back a lot of manufacturing. So we want to make these solutions simple, affordable, and easy to implement. So that's a challenge to everyone who's involved in this robotic space, including engineers of today.